Good morning, people! So, it's currently 10 a.m. in the morning. And the princess is still sleeping. Girl, you need to wake up. Happy birthday. Hi guys, good morning. So it's our second day and late na ako nagising, mga 10 na. Ginising pala ako, hindi ako nagising mag-isa. Ginising ako kasi nagising yung best friend ko ng 7 or 8 p.m. ata. And yeah, nagpe-prepare lang kami. Nagpe-prepare lang kami. Pupunta na kami sa dagat. And yeah, here's my outfit. May bikini, white bikini. Kay best ito. Hiniram ko lang kasi wala lang. Mas gusto ko yung gantong tan kasi magpapatan kami. Yan. Actually, magbe-breakfast. Magbe-breakfast pa lang kami kasi hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. And yeah, see you later, guys. We're now sa beach and nag-order na kami ng food namin. And yeah, Mr. Sun is out. So yeah, we're just chilling here. Hinintay lang namin yung order and then after eating, liligo na kami. And magbababad lang kami sa araw.
Bababad talaga ako sa araw.
Yeah, so yeah. So our food is
Finally here.
We ordered
Some chicken salad.
and club sandwich.
So we're moving the olive because sorry, to the olive lovers.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good to go. So, hi! Okay na kami, guys. It's our last night in Yezulo. And kakatapos lang namin mag-ayos. We're going out for dinner. Yes. This is the look. And then, Madam is already packing her stuff. Nakakalungkot, guys. Pauwi na kami bukas. Patapos na tong panaginip. By the way, yan for datan na ang mga person. Kala mo talaga. Let's go! Are you ready? Should we go? Let's go!
So this is the view, guys. Tanan. Wala si Mr. Sun. Gusto namin yung sun sa tapat na yun. Pero, nasa isang part siya. Ayan, as you can see, white sand din siya. And dun yung dagat. Natamad kami lumapit. Kasi madudumihan pa yung naman. But yeah, just look like this. So sa part na yun, ang ganda. Hi guys! So, nandito kami sa isang restaurant. Italian restaurant siya. We ordered the spaghetti, aglio-olio. And then, ano yan? Grilled mixed na fish. And then, steak. Yeah. So, dumating na yung pasta. So guys, all the food is right here now. Dumating na siya. Ito yung steak. And then yung fries. Kahit ayoko ng fries, pero sinama ko na. And then, yan yung grilled mix na seafood. Our pasta. And yeah. That's it guys. So, nandito napastop ko sa isang store kasi may nakita kami mga glass. Tawag dito? Ano yan? Tawag dyan? Cover protection. Glass protection for phone kasi tinanggal ko yung kay Bess yesterday. Kasi sira, malabo yung photos and videos niya. Sabi ko, patagalin ko yan. Tinanggal ko and then, yes. Bumili siya. Dapat 8 euro. Tumawad siya ng... Ayan o. So, andito kami sa isang bar. Nagde-drink lang. Malapit lang to sa hotel. Like, literal. Our hotel is right there. And andito lang kami.
Para na agad. Sleep na agad.
Yes. Hi guys, we're back sa hotel. And ito yung tinatry naman yung laruan ng dalawa. So yun guys. Dito na kami and tutuloy namin yung movie yesterday night kasi nakatulog kami. And then yeah, tutulog na kami. Hindi, manonood kami. And then tutulog na. And yeah, magpapalit lang kami. And see you tomorrow again. Kasi tomorrow, hindi ko alam. At 6 AM ba?
Let's see.
Waiting nga ata ako. Hindi ko alam. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye! Nagulit na lang ako ng palda kasi pauwi na rin naman kami sa Milan. Ready! Hi guys, we're now at this bus station. Kita kami dito ng bus going sa train station. And yeah, we got our tickets right here, going there. So back to normal again kami later. Our train from here, from Nesolo, aalis siya ng what time? At 2 p.m. And then dadaling kami sa Venezia, sa Venice, Mestre, ng it's like 20 to 30 minutes na biyahe. And then after that, mag-change kami ng train kasi walang diretso papuntang Milan. And yun, Venice to Milan. At 5:25, yung dating namin sa Milan, if wala kami. So, yes guys. Overall, I enjoyed. And sana ko namin ulit to next year. Kasi this July and August, work. And then, wala kami balak for this July and August. You want toy? Come on, come on! Ah, papasalubong! Kiss! Likam!